Will exploding donuts light space like a supernova? Absolutely not. That's pure sci-fi. Donuts exploding don't release enough energy to match a supernova's extreme power. Supernovae occur from massive stars collapsing or detonating, releasing more energy than our sun will in its entire life. Meanwhile, donuts are simply tasty treats with no cosmic explosions in their recipe. Plus, there's no secret camouflage in their taste hiding any explosive potential. So while donuts might brighten your day, they won't light up the galaxy. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.